The Constitutional Rights Forum (CRF), along with various students and residents of the town of Baghmara in South Garo Hills, had taken part in a rally demanding the immediate transfer of the principal of the Capt Williamson Memorial College after students were barred from attending classes over COVID vaccination. The rally against the principal saw hundreds of students walk together through Baghmara town, condemning the discrimination over vaccination. Vaccine hesitancy has been one of the biggest stumbling blocks against COVID in South Garo Hills, with the district recording amongst the lowest vaccination numbers in the entire country. CRF member Granith Sangma informed that classes for Class 12 students of the 3rd and 5th semesters were supposed to resume on September 1st, though some students have been barred from attending offline classes and asked to continue their studies online as they did not get themselves vaccinated. This, he stated, is discrimination, as the Supreme Court itself has declared that vaccination is voluntary and not mandatory. Sangma opined that so far there are no conditions put forward by the state government restricting students from entering college, and this act is an act of denying the right to education. Members of the Constitutional Rights Forum opined that this discrimination of vaccinated and non-vaccinated students would have a deep impact over the quality of studies. The CRF has now demanded that the principal, along with lecturers and professors, be transferred with immediate effect for barring unvaccinated students from attending school. Meanwhile, the students and NGOs have demanded an investigation against the principal of the college, Dr. Meena A. Sangma, over her behavior with students.
ये प्रिंसिपल को अच्छा नंगा मैंने नंगजन yang angkan ini kan ये प्रिंसिपल ना जो हरस कहेगा ना सिर्फ सकांति को हरस कहेगा ये ता आरो चला कतेगा मैंने चला इनबॉक्स रंग कतेगा दिखान कंप्लेन रंग लगा रूटा समय रंगने आरो प्रिंसिपल को सको बांगा स्टूडेंट अंगना थोड़ा पे कंप्लेन सकता ini banyak kamu kecil dalam sa kampung hana teman dengar jadi jebong gua angin dari kan kan आज ये प्रिंसिपल को